Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. Find the greatest three-digit number which when divided by 2, 3, 4, and 5 leaves a remainder of 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. A. 939, B. 959, C. 969, D. 949, E. 929. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method. First, get the least common multiple of 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is 60. Since the remainders are 1 less than the dividends, the number should be equal to n times 60 minus 1. The greatest value of n for n times 60 minus 1 to be a three-digit number is equal to 16. Therefore, 16 times 60 minus 1 equals 960 minus 1 equals 959. Therefore, the answer is letter B. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 75 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4.0. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option B, 959. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. It's trying to calculate the problem now. It started with finding the least common multiple of 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is the same as what we did in the standard method. And it gave us the same answer, 959, which is letter B. That was a good one. Now let's try this on Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember our answer was option B, and we got the same answer from ChatGPT. Okay, it started with getting the least common multiple of 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then checking the greatest three-digit number. Although it started with the same step that we did in the standard method and ChatGPT, it gave us a different answer. According to Gemini, the answer is 998, which is not correct. We know the answer should be letter B, 959. Oh well, as the disclaimer says at the bottom of the page, Gemini may display inaccurate info. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of an AI or a calculator. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Applying the test of divisibility, observe from options that option A and option C are both multiples of 3 and hence will not leave any remainder. Hence, both options A and C can be eliminated. Also, the remainders when 949 and 929 when divided by 4 will give remainder of 1 and not 3 as required. Hence, options D and E are also eliminated. Thus, we are left out with only option B, which actually satisfies the conditions and hence is the answer. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.